Hello, it is me, Doji, and we are here with her. If you remember her from the last video we just made a couple minutes ago. We are now doing a series called the Vlog War, and oh god, we're doing prank war.
Yeah.
Well, all I have to do now is just do that ear rape.
But we're also doing a prank war sound.
What am I gonna do for pranks?
I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe dump water on you when you're coming outside. I don't know.
Oof.
Like right when we go to dinner.
So, yeah, Dead Meme Boy right here is, going to do some nice things. No saying. And, well, we can just go.
Yeah, I see the thing for a second.
Nope.
Let me see the thing.
Nope. Nope.
This is gonna lead to one of my pranks.
Nope.
This is really
Run. I can't actually sing that. It's copyright.
This is gonna get us tired.
Yeah, but I'm not that easy to get tired. I played football for 6 years. You can't stop me that easily.
No, we're literally running around.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get your phone.
You will not get my phone. That's it. Anyway, Dead Meme Boy right here is here.
Ow.
Well, I just said that you hurt your foot, and you said no. I think I stepped on something.
Yeah, that probably hurt.
That's fine. Ready? But we're gonna race. Well, I'm gonna try to get him. Ready, set, go.
Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop now.
It's tag. Tag. Ah. Let me see the vlog.
No.
You have to chase me.
Dead Meme Boy is not letting that happen. Oh, what is this? Hello. That is not normal. I am a drone. Oh, yep. Obviously, you're a drone. Anyways. If you've never heard of Dodgy before, yeah, I got a letter. Yeah, Dodgy. Anyway, as you probably know, he's evil. No, I did not know that. Whatever. Goodbye. Anyway, yeah. I wonder what's to come. Probably one of those cringy series with plushies or something like that. Yep. I don't know what I've gotten my meme channel into. But as we can all tell, Doji right here. It's just, yeah. Making cringy, vlog thingies. And, yeah. What's better than shipping some dead memes of comic sounds?
Okay, what was your thing?
Why? Okay.
Do it.
Maybe Harambe is in that water. Anyway, since this is, Doji right here, let's probably put up some channel updates. I've been thinking to rename my channel Doji Gamer, just because I don't just do Minecraft. I do lots of different games for the viewers. I don't think viewers just want to watch one game at a time. So I'm just walking around in the grass at Ocean City, Maryland again in 2 months. And with this girl,
The gymnastics lady. That's
Yep.
why I might call my channel Gymnastics Lady, because I'm going to do a lot of gymnastics
Yep.
on
Yep.
there. Dance on there.
Yep.
And hopefully, I could do a vlog today. Versus
Oh
her.
no.
No!
I won.
I kind of won, but I stopped for once.
Yeah.
How am I doing?
When you try your best, but you don't. Oh, that's copyright. Can't
Out.
do that.
Honey, out.
Can't sing copyright songs. You. All right.
Hopefully, I get to vlog today.
Yeah, that sounds good. I won't vlog.
Yes. Hey, how you doing?
Hello.
Wait, did I write my money?
Mr. Dead Meme Boy right here is back.
Yeah, remember?
I would have brought my wallet, but
Give me money and then she
That's what's gonna happen.
tasty peanuts.
That's okay. Oh, good. Oh, wow, that was pretty magical. Thank you. Did somebody get a little bit too much sun today? Yeah. Were you at the water park?
No, the beach.
Oh, okay. Wow, okay. That'll be us tomorrow.
Oh my, we're on floor 2. Yep, and now we're on floor 2. Okay, that's just unfortunate. Bye.
Don't get hurt.
I won't get anybody in the vlog.
Don't get hurt.
I won't get anybody else in the vlog.
He's getting people in the vlog.
I'm not trying
Don't
to.
get them in the vlog. Because then you're going to get copyrighted or something.
Oh, that's not how copyright strikes work. Hello. It's just a random.
And everything?
Yep, that's just.
I'll race you there. Ow, my foot.
When you break your foot,
I didn't break it. I kept hitting it off the ground.
that's kind of what you do when you walk. Kind of like. There's another one. Anyway. Broken foot lady is here.
Window. Other way, I think.
Who's those peoples?
This way.
People.
Or down. Yep. Now you got to do it again. I will do it now. Stop. No, you can't do it.
Lift the left hand away.
Push all the way hard.
Okay, beds. Right. Okay.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah.
I want to take a picture.
Yeah. Huh?
I want to take a picture.
Picture, but you know.
I don't know.
Yep, everybody in our pajamas.
Wait. I want to get you and your grandma.
Oh. Tasty. Oh God, what? Tasty.
And then you can have a picture. Hopefully I can.
Back here for a second.
Look. Wait, I need more film, don't I?
She knows what film is.
Whatever, Polaroid.
Dun 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 dun.
I didn't hurt my foot.
I honestly, there's so many meme songs that are copyrights. I don't even know if half of these are copyright, but I'm not gonna try. Yep, that was just. Sorry, you tickled my foot. I'm Hungary. I'm Hungary.
No?
All new Minecraft servers of there's no lighting. I'll probably show you tomorrow the amount of snacks we have in here. Hey, where's the light? Outlets. You probably can't see that. You probably saw the outside. Is this a light? Oh my, it's a light. Yeah, snacks for you. That's that is blurry for you. Snacks.
Come on, hurry up.
I'll put you back there again, guys. And
Don't touch. Oh. Again. It's not a picture.
That's it.
This one's a picture. Don't touch the white.
Okay. Gotcha.
All
Yep.
printed.
how do you know it's all printed?
It's gonna be all colored.
Silly color stuff.
Yeah.
Where'd it go?
Your vlog went somewhere.
Oh yay!
My thing's only at
Sure it's in right?
Alright, I'm gonna vlog, so
How long does it take?
it takes a little bit. See how it's starting to show up?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my!
Don't touch it.
Have to
Oh,
touch.
look.
Wow, that actually works pretty well. Wow. It's I can't sing that. Copyright. Oh yeah, you're flapping our picture around. It's too beautiful to be flapped around.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel because I haven't vlogged.
Oh
But
wow.
today I am also with Doji,
Minecrafter.
Minecrafter.
Soon probably to be gamer.
Yeah.
Doji gamer. That
Doji
just
gamer.
that doesn't go right. Doji
But
Minecrafter.
make
I
sure
don't know
you go
why.
check,
It goes
his
correct.
channel will be down in the
Description.
Made those little Polaroids anymore.
so. And I can't make a very long vlog because it's very late. So it's only going to be a little bit of a vlog.
And also,
But
it's Vlog
I am
Wars
on
today.
His channel.
Yeah, and
Hey.
yeah, that
Say
works.
hi to them. But I will link his vlog down in the description.
Description.
You'll be seeing me a lot. We're doing a vlog war and a prank war.
Yes.
So who can I? You already got two. This is my first one.
We did also just do another vlog, but she didn't do it.
Because my phone was dying.
It was dead.
And sorry you're seeing with no makeup. Like I will be wearing makeup, lots and lots of makeup.
Lots and lots of girl stuff. Oh. Yeah, that's interesting.
Hey, guys, wrap it up.
Wrap it up. Well, guys, I gotta find something to wrap this up with before I end it. Oh, look, a banana. Where's the light? Where's the light? We need a light, though.
Come on, it's time to bed.
With this.
Come on, guys.
It's magic.
But
Oh.
anyway,
Well, guys, Doji is